Welcome back, my lovely friends. You know I'm back again with a special treat. This time I got the 2008 Chevrolet Impala LS ready to go. Come on, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. Tell me what you like about it. Hit the comments, like, subscribe, follow me, check me out. Do what you gotta do. But this bad boy right here, this is a nice, very nice. We're gonna get you the angles. Don't worry, I got you. As long as you with me, I got you. We got the front end. Boom. Look at them headlights. Look at those headlights. Nice and clean. You hear it on. It's running right now, too. 2019 inspection, but I don't see why I can't have a 2021. Why not, right? Why not? That'll be easy. No check engine light, no code. So you get that ASAP, no problem. Take you around this side. All the doors is wide open like a, oh no, let me take you around the back side. Alright, she's a nice little pretty little thing. With a lot of power, you hear the rumble. Wait, I don't think that's this car. I think that's that one over there, bro. Oh, it might just be this one. Let's take you inside. Here's the back seat. Cloth interior, no rips, no scratches. Got a little bit of paint over there, but that is nothing crazy. If it bothers you, put a seat cover on it. Put a seat cover on it. That's why they make those. Yes, sir. That's why they make those. Alright, here's that. You got the door right here. The window is working because I got it down. If it wasn't working, I wouldn't dare put it down. So I ain't dealing with it. Not coming back up. Here's the inside. I'll get you that nice, beautiful view. That is a tire pressure light, not a check engine light. Don't worry, we'll get the close-up on that real soon. Let's get you this. Oh yeah, that's how it feels like to be driving this bad boy. Nice and clean. Look at the driver's seats. Let's get you that angle right there. Oh, nice clean driver's seat. Driver door is nice and clean. Passenger door and seats. Nice and clean. But let's show you that. Up here. Whoa. Oh, y'all. Clean, like I said, nice seats vacuumed by me, by yours truly. I did that. Had a little extra time on my hands today. Said, why not? Take you around again to the driver's side. She's on. She's ready to go. Ready to chase some bad boys. You got the driver's side special over here. I don't know why my voice sound like that. I need a freaking pause or something, a cup of tea. My voice sounds crazy. Oh man. Can't be outside with this Rona. Y'all got me outside making videos and stuff. Gotta do what I gotta do, right? I guess so. Let me hit you with that. Look at my kicks, they ain't the greatest. Let me hit you with that right there, boom. Temperature is good, no overheating, no nothing. This is I'm gonna sell for my price special, man. I know this car good, there ain't no question about it. Ain't nobody gonna come here and try to lowball me on the price. Cause I know, I had it for so long, I had it for so long. Let me get y'all the doors closed view. Hit you with the doors closed. We're gonna go back around it again. Doors closed view. Oh, she's special. She's special. Yes, sir. We're gonna hit you with the, what's this, clockwise? Yeah, we're gonna hit you with the clockwise motion. Oh, yep. She's a nice one. I hope y'all watching these videos too. I'm be mad I'm making these videos and ain't nobody watching these damn things. It's extremely frustrating. Why am I making these videos and ain't nobody watching it? I'm very, very mad. This ain't easy. It takes a lot of time. And like I said, like, subscribe, follow, respect. I mean, Come on, man. Do what you gotta do. Help me out on the YouTube, the Instagram. Do what you gotta do. If you would like this to keep coming, if I don't see no results, I'm done with it. Let's say it's in there, stuff I can flow with it, I'll be done with it.